Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play It Must Be Love on ukulele. We'll begin by learning the core chords that form the backbone of this classic tune. You'll primarily use a minor, E minor 7, G, and C. These four chords are crucial for the main verse and chorus sections. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. This foundational step is key to mastering the song. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern. A popular and fitting choice for It Must Be Love is the island strum. This pattern goes down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Practice this rhythm slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed. A steady, flowing strum will bring the song to life and make your playing sound much more polished. Understanding the song's structure will greatly help your playing. It Must Be Love typically features clear verse, chorus, and bridge sections. The verses often cycle through a minor, E minor 7, G, and C. When you reach the chorus, you'll encounter chords like G, B minor, and C major 7, adding a new dynamic. Pay attention to these changes to navigate the song's flow effortlessly. Consistent practice is your best friend for mastering this song. Dedicate about 15 minutes daily to practicing your chord changes and strumming. Try playing along with the original recording to fine-tune your timing and feel for the music. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the beautiful melody you're creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.